Is your check engine light on and your vehicle acting like it has lost its mind? Maybe shifting hard or even refusing to start? You might be dealing with a P06B1 trouble code. This is a generic OBD2 code, which means it can show up on anything from a Buick or Chevy to a Ford or Mercedes-Benz built after 1996. Basically, your car's brain, known as the Powertrain Control Module or PCM, has detected that the voltage is too low on a specific sensor circuit labeled AE. Now, depending on who made your car, that sensor could be part of the exhaust gas system, the oxygen sensors, the transmission, or even the four-wheel drive transfer case. Normally, the computer sends out a specific voltage, often 5 volts or full battery voltage, to power these sensors. When that voltage drops below what is expected, the code is stored, and your service engine's soon light comes on. This is not a code you want to ignore, because it affects sensors that control how your car drives. The symptoms can be pretty severe. You might experience a no-start condition, terrible fuel economy, engine stumbling, or erratic transmission shifting. If you have four-wheel drive, your transfer case might stop working entirely. So what causes this? It could be a defective sensor, a blown fuse, damaged wiring, or even a failure within the computer itself. To fix this, you are going to need a diagnostic scanner and a digital volt-ohm meter. Start by searching for technical service bulletins for your specific year, make, and model, as manufacturers often release updates for common issues like this. If there are no bulletins, connect your scanner, write down the codes, and clear them. Test drive the vehicle to see if the code comes back immediately. If it does, you need to visually inspect the wiring and connectors associated with that sensor circuit. Look for cut, burned, or disconnected wires. Check your chassis and engine grounds too. If the wiring looks good, use your meter to test the fuses and relays for the controller power supply. A pro tip here is to test fuses while the circuit is loaded to make sure they are actually carrying current. If all the power and ground circuits are intact but the computer still is not sending out the right voltage, you might be looking at a bad controller or a programming error. Since replacing a computer often requires reprogramming at a dealership, do not jump to that conclusion until you have ruled out every other wiring and fuse possibility. If you are uncomfortable using a multimeter on sensitive electronics, this is the time to take it to a professional. Good luck getting that voltage back up and your car running smooth again.